Hi, M5631. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Hong Kong employers. I'm Josephine Carmona. I'm 43 years old. I'm a single mother. I have one children, 14 years old son. I am Roman Catholic and I'm a high school graduate.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Taiwan, tell me about your experience as a helper.
In Taiwan, I work as a caretaker of Ama and Apong. My main duties is taking care Ama, feed them and give the medicine, go to the hospital and taking care Ama and go to the accompany to the park.
Okay, and you have another experience in Hong Kong, right? You are ex-Hong Kong.
Yes.
Okay, tell me about your experience in Hong Kong.
My previous employers is in Kowloon. My employers is two elderly, and my main duties is household chores like general cleaning, washing, ironing, gardening, and sometimes I car wash.
And you are also the one who ironing.
Yes.
Okay. Since I saw that you are terminated on this employer, why? Why is the reason why?
I didn't really know why, but my employer told me that one day I go to the Philippines and take a rest first.
So your employer told you to go back to the Philippines to rest. Okay. That's the only thing that the employer says to you.
Yes.
Okay. Since you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, but my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
Okay, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn?
First, wash the hands. Second, sanitize the bottle. Third is put the right formula and luke water, and then shake, and then check the temperature and give them.
Give to the baby.
Yes.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
Check the temperature, check the diaper, and
if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the temperature, the diaper, and also everything that you have done to the baby doesn't work, what will you do?
I will call to my employer.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
To earn money and to give to my family the best life, and Hong Kong is the best, one of the best country to give the highest salary.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 or more.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract if your employer wants you to extend?
Yes.
Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were a relatives or they were fixing something inside the house? What will you do?
I will not entertain and I will call first to my employer.
Okay, because it's too dangerous if there is someone outside the house that your employer doesn't know, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Yes.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Stir-fried vegetable, making a soup.
Do you know how to...
Steamed fish.
Okay, right. Steamed fish and other
Yes.
soup. Okay, how about long soup? You know it?
I know, but not too much.
Okay. It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides.
Yes.
It is okay to you to cut your hair short because I saw that you have a long hair.
Yes.
How about share jobs as a helper?
Yes.
How about share room with kids?
Yes.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes.
Okay, my last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, if you hire me, I will do my best and I will take care of your family as my own, and I follow the rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Josephine. Thank you.